Hi, what is up guys? This is a video to show you which one of these three drives makes more noise. Okay, so here on the left I have the hub motor drive. Next I have the chain drive, and I also have a belt drive. Alright, so we're gonna use the phone app right here to measure in decibels. So yeah, I'm gonna start with the hub motors. I'm gonna go ahead and reset that right here. Alright, so let's go. So for the hub motors we are up to 83 decibels. So moving now to the chain drive. Alright, so we want to go ahead and reset the app. Alright, so let's go. Alright, so we have 82 decibels for the chain drive. And then moving now to the belt drive. Alright. Alright, so we have here 79 decibels. Alright, I hope that this information was useful to you. If you are planning in getting hub motors, chain drive or belt drive, here is it. So also notice that it may be slightly different depending on what type of deck you are using due to the vibration and all that. So yeah, I think that these hub motors are actually very loud, because usually hub motors don't make that much noise. But yeah, so because usually they're way quieter than everything else in the market, but this one happens to be very noisy. So yeah, I also expected the chain drive to be very loud. Actually it is not. It is just a metal type of noise that makes it sound like it is louder, but actually it is not. Also notice that while riding it is not going to be that loud because of your weight on the deck. It is going to be a little better. You're not going to be annoyed by the noise by any means. Alright, I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to hit the like button if you did like it. Subscribe and stick around for upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. See you around.